Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and I'm working today on my 2010 Kia Soul, and what I'm going to be showing you today is how to remove the front grille. In order to remove this front grille, you have to remove the bumper. If you want to watch a video on how to remove the bumper, right now on the top you're going to have a link. Just click it and you'll be able to know how to remove the front bumper, and now you'll be able to remove the front grille. I'm hoping that this video will be helpful for someone. So let's get on with this job. Now that you have removed your bumper, that you have watched the video of how to remove the bumper, you want to remove the grille. What you do is you take the bumper and you're going to turn it. I have my daughter on the camera. And what we're going to do is you have a couple of Phillips screws right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to remove those first. Remember, it's plastic, so take your time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all those Phillips, and I'll be right back. Now that you have removed the Phillips screws, what you want to do is you want to use a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to come over here. You're going to use your flathead screwdriver and you're going to go right here where the plastic is at, and right here in the side you're going to push it. Don't go hard, you want to go slowly, and then when you push it, then push it down. You push that down. You do the same thing over here. You press it in and then you press this down. Okay? Want to keep doing that? There it goes. Make sure you press it in, and then you want to there it goes. Press it down. Take this one too, press it down. Over here, once you do that, press it down. And there you go. You press it down, and here you go. You have removed the grille on a 2010 Kia Soul. To put it back, it's the same way. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it,
you can do it.
Later. I finished painting the bumper so I can show you how to install the grille back. And the grille, you can see, has those plastic things here, and you have the plastic here that has a little hole on it. So you want to put these right in the hole, and then you have this one with the two, one long one and one where the screw goes at. And what you're going to do is going to go right in the top. And remember, this bumper came wrapped up, and so you're probably gonna have to do a little stretching on it to push the grille in. So like I said, this thing's right here, it's gonna go right in the top. And all you want to do is put those things right in. Push it in. Want to make sure that it's nice and snug in here, and all the clips go in. I'm going to show you where. Make sure all the clips are in. Do is take a screw and maybe put it in the corner to hold it, while you get everything else lined up. Make sure these clips go up so it can hold. Put all the screws in. Make sure you take your time because it's plastic. Hold the grill with your hand and then just use your Phillips screwdriver to put it in. So now everything is nice and snug. Finish putting your screws and you have installed your grill on your 2010 Kia Soul. Later.